Everybody, is Trading Paradise here. As I promised, another video today. I'll try to be consistent all over 2025 to bring you value about trading and cryptocurrencies. As you know, we're starting from Tether dominance. This is the one-day chart. For the people who don't know what is Tether dominance, is the percentage of the impact of USDT compared to the total market cap. At the moment is currently 4.21%. Why is it really important, this chart? Because when Tether dominance is going up, the crypto market usually go down, and when the USD Tether dominance go down, the crypto market goes up. In the previous video, we discussed about the fact that we are currently in this range, where here we have a very important key support, which is 3.82 level, and then we have a very important resistance at 4.38%. What's happening inside here is, of course, tradable, but is more risky. As soon as we have a break above here or below here, we really know what's gonna be the huge move in the market. So if the Tether dominance breaks above 4.38%, we're gonna have a huge crash. If we're gonna break below 3.82%, this green line, we're gonna have a huge pump. Again, the seller brought the crypto market here in this zone where buyers stepped in. In fact, we had now a huge wick. This is good. This is good because means that the buyers are still there, and the bulls, they didn't give up yet. In the previous video, what I said, how can you trade this? You can trade this in two ways. Start to build longs in this area, okay, and cut if we have a clean break above this high here, so 4.59%, or what I prefer to do is wait that the Tether dominance goes back inside the resistance, because we know that 4.38% is a very important resistance. So what you do, if you add longs here, yes, could be a good move, but you don't know if at some point immediately Tether dominance skyrocket up here, and probably the stop loss, if you have it, it's gonna make you exit the trade, or if you don't have a stop loss, you're gonna lose much more money. Depends on your risk management, of course, guys. Be careful on this. What I prefer to do is patiently waiting that we are gonna back inside. So it's here that you enter long at the close of this candle. Unfortunately, I was outside and I couldn't trade this, so at the moment I didn't open any trade. What I'm looking for right now? What I'm looking for right now is a possible, again, push in this zone and see how the market reacts here. So if we find resistance, this could be another good time to go long. Or I'm going to wait for a break of these lows here. So we're gonna break here down this yellow line on daily chart. I could possibly start to bid some longs, but yet, guys, the big move is not happened yet. So 4.38% and 3.82%. To trade also is good, and it's very clean, this chart. So Tether dominance plus USDC dominance. As you can see, the percentage is going higher, so 5.77%, because this is the impact of both stable coins, Tether and USDC. In fact, this chart is just USDT, which is 4.20 now, and if we add USDC, it's 5.60%. And I like to trade this also because my proprietary indicator, Easy Trade Pro. You can find it in my website www.tradingparadise.io. It's our buy and sell trading indicator, where possible buys are blue candles, and possible sell are orange candles. We can see that in the indicator we printed a possible sell, so which is a possible good buy opportunity, and we found resistance here. We had a huge wick right now, so now again the possibility are two: or patiently wait for a possible revisit of the half of the wick, or take out all the wick. But I think taking out the wick is gonna be not bullish, because revisit this zone so aggressively, I think is not gonna be good for the bulls. But what is more possible, it could be a push again here, or a push again at the half of the wick that is matching also with previous weekly high. Remember, also for trading, it's nice to monitor key levels. I like to do it, like previous weekly high, previous weekly low, previous monthly high, previous weekly monthly low, monthly open, weekly open, because these are important zones where a break above or below could sign an important move. But so at the moment, what you can do, you can again, as tether dominance, decide to enter in a trade if we have a break of 5.57, because this level was before a resistance, then it finds support here, then break below, we went down, break above, we went up. So 5.57% could be, again, that also matches with this pink and yellow line. This pink and yellow line are just the 21 pink EMA and 12 yellow line EMA. So if we have, for example, break below here and retest of the red line resistance, probably you're gonna see something like this. So this could be, for example, break below retest, this could be an area good to go long, or as I said, another area to go long, it's here, or another area to go long, it's here, filling the half of the wick, because the market usually go to fill the wicks, at least 50% of it. As I said before, is also a match with previous weekly high. So that's the idea. Since I lost the entry yesterday, that's my plan to go long. And to go short, I would like to see something like this. Let's say that I'm building my longs here and they're going fine. Then we retest here, but then instead of breaking below, we form base and we again go up. This would be something that would make me close my longs and enter short. So this is the plan, to go short and long at the moment, just having a look at tether dominance and USDC dominance in this chart. Or if you want to see just USDT dominance, you can check this chart as well. And as I said, it's basically the same, losing this level, or again here and the half of the wick here, and breaking below here. So the same 3 points, but in my opinion, to trade is more clean tether dominance plus USDC. For analysis, tether, because it's much more important and crucial since the percentage is higher. What about Bitcoin? We saw, and I said in a previous video, that 90,000 was a level to tag. We had a nice reaction, a big wick, and now we are printing a very good candle again. What's the problem with this? The problem is that when we print these such important wicks, as I said before, it's most likely that the half or the end of the week are going to be filled sooner or later. So that's why I'm cautious and I'm not entering in the market with market orders, because it's likely that at least maybe the 50% is going to be tagged. And if this happens, is absolutely likely that we're going to see in this chart a move up here, because as remember guys, crypto market is going down, the stablecoin dominance is going up. So that's what I'm going to look at, and then what's going to happen in this zone when and if a price goes down here. If we have a quick buy, as I said, and then tether dominance or stablecoin dominance, we have the reaction, as I said, and the entry point that I talked about is going to be a good long or a short, like I discussed before. Now, 87K also is a nice, really nice level that could be again an idea for a bounce, could be a spot for a bounce. So if we speculate for a moment, and let's say that we're gonna again revisit here and then revisit here and then here, probably this could be something that could lead to a pump, and then see what happens in this region. But of course, this is too early to say. What we see in the indicator is that on the daily chart, we are going probably to print a new blue candle. This blue candle led to a pump of 46%. But then we had an orange candle, so as I said, possible sell. And then we had a drop of 7%. Again, here orange candle, and here orange candle. This is a false signal. This is a nice buy signal here. That's another drop, another drop. That's a good buy signal, but with a little bit of drawdown. But still, the blue and the orange candles on the daily chart are powerful. So let's see how this is closing, because the candle is not closed yet. So probably it's not gonna close blue. Let's see. So we need also to monitor this. What about altcoins? I was having a look on Jupiter, because honestly looking at the chart is beautiful, because what you see here is a huge accumulation phase. It's a project with very strong fundamentals, and it never really skyrocketed yet. And for the moment I don't see any new blue candles. We had an orange candle here, blue candle. Last blue candle we had 6th of November and then 13th of October. I would really like to see a new blue candle, but probably gonna revisit again here, or again 50 cents. This also depends on Tether dominance and USDC dominance and Bitcoin, what they're doing. Alts are just an extension of what these big markets are doing. So it's not really important now to enter in altcoins, because at the moment the market is not really strong, and we don't really know what's the big move, so we need to be cautious. But Jupiter, if I'm going to have a revisit here or a revisit here, these are two optimal buy zones, so 68 cent and 50 cent area, let's say, for the long term, because Jupiter, in my opinion, in the long term, to 2-3 years from now, is going to be much higher. And so that's it. This is the update for the day. I give you my levels to watch for go long, for short. I give you the reason why I'm not entering the market at the moment, because there is a big wick here, there is a big wick here in the dominance, stablecoin dominance, and wicks tend to get filled at least 50%. But at the same time, we are probably printing a new blue candle here. We had an orange candle here. So who knows? As I said again, if the Tether dominance and USDC dominance is not going up again here, it's gonna break 5.57%, this could be a good idea for a long, and then an hypothetical cut if we reclaim 5.57%. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna keep posting videos in the next days. Please let me know in the comment if you like the format and if you like to review specific charts. Thank you very much. Bye bye.